Hello everyone, today I am going to prepare my favorite dish, mushroom chicken. These are the ingredients that you will need. First, start by cutting the chicken into thin pieces. We are going to season the chicken pieces with salt, cumin, oregano, paprika, and black pepper. Now place the oil and butter to seal the chicken. While the chicken is sealed on both sides, cut the mushroom and garlic. Remove the chicken and place the mushrooms, garlic, and the green beans. After 5 minutes, remove the green beans to add the chicken. To give it more flavor, use 1 gram of chicken broth and 1 cup of white wine with a low-medium flame. After 5 minutes, place the heavy cream and the parsley. Once cooked, we will serve it. Place the rice, the cooked green beans, and the delicious mushrooms chicken. Now we are ready to eat. Thank you for watching my video. Bye! See you!